Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. Many of my viewers are written in comments that they want to know about JBL Sound Bar power supply repairing because it's quite congested area. So just show us how to repair power supply of JBL Sound Bar SMPS power supply. So today I just want to show you how to repair this JBL Sound Bar. I got one sound bar for repair. So this is a 1 meter long sound bar. Okay guys. See, so this is the JBL one. So we'll check what is the issue in this. This is the model. Okay guys, SB-110. So we'll check what is the issue in this. We'll give input supply to 30 volt AC and we'll check what's the issue in this. See guys, this is the model SB-110. So we'll apply the power now. This is the button over here. The LED display is there. Some 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs are there. So when we give supply, the LED should be on here after pressing power button. So we'll supply the voltage first. We'll check. So we'll check the input power over here first. It's coming to 39 volt AC. Okay guys, now we'll put this in this. So guys, it's not getting on. So no light is on over here. You should supposed to get LED on over here, but there's no light, so it means there's a problem. So we'll just remove this one. We'll remove this power supply section and we'll check. This 4 screw 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll unscrew this all, then we'll remove this cover. So guys, I have removed the screw, 4 screw. So we'll take it out. Hey guys, over here. So now this is the main control board. So here maybe inside this is the power supply. So we'll remove this 4 screw 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 screw. Anyway, first we'll check this out. We'll unscrew this 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 screw will remove it out. So guys, I have removed 4 screw. Take it out. Here is for the DC supply. This is for the DC. This is the power supply. This is the amp board. This is for the speaker connection. This is for the 2 speaker connection. This is for the subwoofer. So now we'll dismantle this. We'll keep this aside. We'll open this one now. We'll open this 4 screw. See guys, I open this 4 screw. We'll take this out. This is the power supply. This is the power supply, my friend. See how small power supply of sound bar. So now we'll check this. We'll supply voltage. So this is the input line. We'll check inputs coming or not here. I put it on now. See guys, power is coming. 240 volt is coming, AC volt. So now we'll check why it's not getting on. We'll put it off first. Take it out. We'll take some ohmic test in the ohms range. As you know, I kept the meter on the buzzard. So I'll just show you what is inside. There's a fuse over here. MOSFET is there. And here is this one. This is a 6-pin power controller, highly integrated current mode controller ICs. This is PWD, pulse width modulation controller. So we'll check the fuse first. Guys, fuse is gone. But why the fuse is gone? So we'll check, is there any shorting in the power supply area. So this is the rectifier, this is the bridge rectifier. So up to here it's good. Okay, up to here it's also good. Okay, these are the AC input and this is output. So we'll check the rectifier. This is the rectifier. We'll check the rectifier. There is no shorting. See guys, there is no shorting in the rectifier. So now we'll see here. This is a diode over here. Guys, diode is showing very less ohms. So how many ohms is showing? It's 81 ohms. Diode is showing 81 ohms. So maybe this IC will be the culprit. This one, 6-pin one. So we'll check this one with the grounding. Is there a shorting of the grounding? Pin number 1. I think pin number 1. Yeah. Pin number 1 is ground to the negative of the main filter capacitor. This is the filter capacitor. So it is not shorted, this one. How about this one? Pin number 2 and 3 shorted, friends. See, pin number 2 and 3. This IC pin number 2 and pin number 3 is shorted. See, so see, pin number 2, pin number 3 is shorted. This IC is faulty. Number of this IC is 73K20. The number of this IC is 73K20. It is. So now we'll do one thing, guys. We'll replace this IC. I got actually I don't have the same number. I got the equivalent of this IC 2818. So we'll replace this IC and we'll do two things in this. We'll replace this IC and the fuse also. So I got new IC with me, but its number is different. So I got the new IC. So number of this IC is 2818. So we'll replace this one with this IC and also fuse. Then we'll check the power supply. Just keep watching my video till end. Replace the fuse. This is the fuse. I will replace this one. Let's solder it now. So I replaced the fuse with the new one. So now we'll replace this IC 6-pin IC. This is the PWD IC. We'll replace this with the new one. So guys, we'll remove this IC. I removed the IC, boys. See, this is the old faulty IC. So now we'll clean this area. Then we'll fix new one. But be sure, before fixing new one, be sure, check is there any shorting or there in other parts of the area inside. Just check it out. Just confirm before before soldering new IC, guys. So guys, that two dials are there. We'll check they are shorted or they're okay or not. They are okay, guys. It's okay. This is okay. Okay, now we'll check some resistors. This is 470 ohms resistor. This is okay. This is 9.9. This is 10k resistor. This is 100 ohms. So these 200 ohms are in parallel. So it is 50 ohms. Okay. So here all are 1.2 ohms. These all resistors are okay. And I'm not getting any shorting over here. There is no shorting over here somewhere. See, now it is not shorting. So now it's okay. Now it's safe to put the new IC, my friend. So we'll fix now new IC. This is the old IC. We'll fix new IC now. This is the new IC. So I'm fixing the new IC now. This one. So guys, we'll solder now this one. Be careful. Use lens so that pin should not get shorted. Guys. So it is soldered now. So recheck it one more time. Just recheck it one more time. So it is not shorted. It's okay. Great. So before applying power, recheck it one more time, guys, so that I kept on buzzer range. Is there any shorting? The pin 1 and 2, something like that. See guys, there is no shorting. Before it was showing shorting pin number 2 and 3. This is not showing anymore. So guys, there is no shorting now. It's okay. This is the MOSFET, but MOSFET normally what is happening when this IC will go, so it will damage the MOSFET, but luckily this damage is safe. So there is no showing any shorting in the this MOSFET. So this MOSFET is okay. Okay guys, so everything is perfect now. So we'll apply power now. Now we'll apply power. So guys, we'll check voltage. This is the, I will put it on now. I put it on. This is the output. See guys, it's coming now, 18 volt DC. So our power supply is okay now. Okay, great. So now we'll fix it back. So we'll fix it back now. So guys, we'll fix this back. We'll connect this one. So we'll fix this back and put inside. So guys, I already fixed this one. So we connect the screws, all 4 screws, we'll fix it. So guys, now we'll put power. See guys, it's on. So we'll connect the Bluetooth. Where is my Bluetooth? It's working. JBL.
Something beautiful, something beautiful. Selling a dream, smoking mirrors kept us waiting.
So guys, it's working fine now. So the problem was the power supply, the IC is gone, fuse is gone. So if you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, share it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it. And take care, bye bye, thank you.